What's happening, guys? Dustin here, and we're going a different route with the channel name, if any of you guys have noticed. So we're gonna try to change that, my views, my everything. Right now I get the watch time to get monetized. I just don't have the subscribers. I'm 400 subscribers away. You're supposed to have 4,000 hours of watch time a year, and I get 6,000. So I'm trying to go a different route and just try to do things a little different. Okay, so there's a lot of things we need to go over. I'm changing my name, I'm changing the way things are, I'm changing what I'm doing. Last year we tried to do a rear mount turbo. I had a video about these pie cuts. Right here, these are my flow tubes into a 2-pipe. And this went out back and I had a rear mount turbo, and that just, there were some problems with that. So I decided to go a different route. I went ahead and took that off. As you can see, those pipes in there and there. So I'm gonna take those pipes and I'm gonna loop them around, come through here. I got this pipe right here. I've flattened that pipe out. And what I'm gonna do is run this flat pipe under here like this. From those headers, I'm debating on running one on each side. So one there and one there. And then running it into one, because I am going single, no double. Or just running this one 2.5-inch pipe from those two pipes. What I'm gonna try to do is run from those pipes and then come back around. So I gotta figure out the radius of that bend and see if it's even possible, because I am gonna try to keep everything tucked up nice and tight. I'm waiting on some BMR suspension parts. As you can see down there, we do have some BMR everything. So I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I know I'm not going with the rear mount turbo anymore. I do have BBK tune length headers. I don't think that's gonna make any kind of difference in the way that I design this turbo kit, but I am gonna design a new kit. And I'm just hoping it's gonna work. I mean, it's something different. Like I said, I flattened that tube. Check out this old tube. Here's the old tube, that was the rear mount setup. V-bands on both sides. I'm not gonna touch it because that Amazon lava wrap right there, that shit will make you so itchy. Oh my God, last night I went to bed, I was itching because I had to get the car apart and get the car back up on blocks because it's time to do something new. Now it may not be the newest thing or the most incredible thing, anything that anyone's ever done. It may not be the prettiest, the best look. Heck, it may not work like the rear mount turbo, but you know what? I'm gonna try something new. And yes, I'm still gonna do the motor. I got all this extra tubing from the rear mount turbo set. I don't think it's gonna be a big deal to change something and do something a little different. Like I said, this is a new year, 2020. I've changed my channel name. That way I could brand it. I didn't even know that my channel was an unbranded account. I had 2 other channels that are branded accounts that I really didn't care about. And this one does have my subscribers and my videos. Whether my videos be dumb in the beginning and meaningless, or, you know, some of them did help some people, some of them may have led people the wrong direction. Now that I've lived and learned, I'm ready to take this channel to another level as a hobby, and it would be nice to get paid to be able to do more things with this channel. But if I can't do that, that's fine. I mean, I'm just gonna go and do what I can. I'm gonna build what I can. Like I said, this rear mount turbo set did not work, but I got some pipes, I got some experience, and I got some knowledge. And now that I've done enough internet research, I do think that I can build a turbo kit that will work for this car. I'm still gonna have to get a fuel system, injectors, and all that stuff. And yes, we're not gonna blow the car up. We're gonna run it maybe 300, 400, 500 horsepower, be real gentle on it, and then go ahead and pop my rods, pistons, and crank in it with all my ARP bolts. And but like I said, this time I'm gonna get gas. Like, here's a pipe from last time. You can check out my welds. You know, it's not the greatest. It's not the greatest. It's not the worst either, especially without gas. In my last video I said let's get some gas. I meant for the welder. Maybe I should take that into a lifting experience to get some gas to motivate myself to work even harder. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna work that much harder to build this car. We're actually gonna do some things. I took this vise over here and I flattened that pipe down because I seen that even the Helion kit, $6,000, and all the Helion kit does is put 2 flat pipes that goes underneath the K-member. Now yes, I should have, you know, when I had all that Christmas money, I spent it on my kids and not my car. But you know what, this year we're just gonna save up $100 a week, whatever it takes to get that tubular K member. But I'm gonna go ahead and build the kit without the tubular K member because it's gonna be about the same, because it's just a flat pipe runner under there. My main thing is clearance. I live on a dirt road, so I still have to get from the pavement to my house, which is, you know, asphalt to dirt to my house, and then dirt to asphalt to get out of here. So clearance is a big thing. I'm running the iBox Sport lines. I got some BMR suspension. They were supposed to be on their way, but they're not yet. I always have a trouble with American Muscle and BMR. I don't know where the coordination is there. Not knocking either one of them, but when it says 3-day shipping and it's been almost 12 days, it does get a little irritating, but that's fine. BMR makes great parts, so I'll do the do and wait the time it takes to get the parts that I know they're gonna hold up on the car. The whole suspension should be a BMR when I'm done, if they ever make a K member. If not, we'll go UPR. Like I said, I'm gonna need that K member. Let me pull that pipe out and show you how I flattened it. All right, so all I did is put this pipe in the vise just like this. As you can see, I gotta, you know, I'll probably put it on this, put it in here, and I'll hammer it around. I'll shape it the way I need it. I'm gonna have to build a collector to go into the other 2 or 1 pipes, whether I use 1 or 2 pipes. So all I did is put this directly in the middle, and then I cranked it down, and I got a flat tube. And now this tube, where I'm gonna stick this, it's gonna stick 1.5 inches lower than where the bottom of the car was before. So maybe I'll get 1 more of these, and I'll do 1 per cylinder. That way I'm not doing any restriction of airflow. So that's my thoughts. We're gonna go ahead and get all that stuff done, do what we can, get this car going, get a little woo turbo noise. The turbo's over there. I'm gonna buy a new eBay turbo. That's Air Research, so I think they're made by Garrett, but we'll go ahead and buy another one since that one looks so crappy. Or maybe I'll try to clean it up still. Probably another one because that's heavy and it's for a diesel, but it does, on this car, it spools about 2,500 RPMs, which is pretty good for a T04. But like I said, I got that flat pipe I'm gonna throw on this car right here. Got the shop all cleaned up, ready to go. Waiting on some parts from BMR. That was supposed to be this video today, but I thought I'd go ahead and acknowledge what I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna try another turbo kit, and yeah, this time we're gonna do the turbo kit right. I'm gonna get some gas for the welder. I'm gonna take my time and just show you periodically what's going on with the car. I'm gonna try to upload weekly. It is really hard. It may not always be Mustang stuff, because now my name is Dustin's Customs. I figured that that name would give me the ability to go in a bunch of different directions and not just stick me to this Mustang, because I got a bunch of stuff to do, and if I want to do this tool is cool, or it just didn't kind of relate to anything I was doing except this car, and I'm ready to take 2020 and move along and do something different. Like I said, I'm Dustin, this is Dustin's Customs. This is a whole new year, a whole new start, and a whole new turbo system, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.